Hi, good day, everybody. I'm here to kind of bring to your attention that there's a video making around online right now. The video is an interview that retired DSS operative Dennis Amakre had on TVC. So the summation of the whole thing is that, contrary to what we were told, that the late Abacha died from the hands of Indian ladies and with poison apple. Now, Dennis Amakre in question is now coming up on TVC to let us know that it was an Igbo lady, a pharmacist, who slept with Abacha, and Abacha died on top of him. Listening to the video, and I will come back to explain more.
What you call the true account of General Sani Abacha's death. How did he die?
Well, you see, a lot of the reason I brought out all kinds of stories by different people, including Al Mustafa, is because, you know, they were not aware. They don't know the story. Or they were looking at the periphery where they felt this might have, you know, caused the death or stuff like that. I know that Mustafa is not a doctor to say that Arafat's bodyguard shook the president and that was what killed him. He's not a doctor. He doesn't know what killed the guy, you know.
So if he didn't die of India prostitutes or apple, how did he really die?
Well, the thing is that when you read the book, you are going to see it there. You know, they spelled out. But generally, I can tell you this. The girl who was with him when he died, I interrogated her here in Lagos.
It was his girlfriend or the girlfriend's sister?
His girlfriend's sister.
Okay, so I saw that and I was a little bit confused that Abacha had a girlfriend with an Igbo name. The name is withheld in this book.
Yes.
Arrived at Asura Guest House from Nickel Hilton Hotel with a younger sister.
Yes.
So she left and the younger sister stayed back.
Yes.
And then was taken with the younger sister. And after a short while, the girlfriend returned to the hotel, leaving the pharmacist alone with the head of state.
Yeah.
So when you spoke to her, what did she say?
The first thing she told me was that she didn't kill him. You know, I sent my guys to go and bring her. Because Abuja called me. I was not aware. Abuja called me and told me that our headquarters, that go to this address, there is a girl there, arrest her, bring her to the office, interrogate her, and then bring her to Abuja immediately. And I sent my guys to go there, and they arrested her and brought her. When she came into my office, the first thing she said, I did not kill him.
But she knew he was dead before he left.
She found out that he was dead. She found out. He was not dead before she was in that room with him.
Yeah.
But later she discovered that I believe strongly that it must be a heart attack.
Did you believe her?
I have to believe her because she doesn't have any reason to lie to me. You know, and I didn't give her the situation to be scared or not to be, because, you know, her account is the true eyewitness account of what actually happened. Nobody was with them, you know, so I believe her.
So Abacha was sleeping with two sisters. That's the interesting part.
That's how you want to put it.
No, but that's what you wrote in this book. This is not how I put it. Yeah. This is what you said on page 250 and 251 of you.
Now you've seen the video, right? What if I told you that this is one of those propagandas, political propaganda, measured against the Igbos, against Peter Obi, to be precise? This is an attempt to sow a seed of distrust among the Northerners that an Igbo was behind the death of Abacha. Why would it be that after 27 years that these people are coming up with this kind of propaganda? because as it seems right now, the majority of houses, the majority of northerners on the streets are going Peter Obi's way. So, my people, what would you make out of this? I'm saying this regardless if you are Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa. This is just for you to know that the powers that be in Nigeria, not just Asorok, the powers that be in Nigeria, they are afraid of the momentum behind Peter Obi. They are afraid that Nigerians on the street, the ordinary man on the street, is beginning to know their secrets, is beginning to know that it is, at the end of the day, politically is all about them on higher places, not about Nigerians, so to say.